Davey over IPOE. I'm here at Kit Plus Show at the Oval with Jack from Audio Technica.
Hi.
Jack, this is an interesting product here. It looks like something out of Star Wars.
Yeah,
like a
it's
training
it's
module.
not it's not going to explode.
No?
I'll start with that just to put everyone at ease. No, so this is our BP 3600 product. It was released last year and developed around the MotoGP. So it was developed in an environment which is challenging to say the least. The concept is that it's a fully immersive sound microphone, 8 distinct analog channels coming in from microphones